The Nurse Jamie Beauty Bear pillow is marketed as a beauty pillow that supposedly reduces sleep wrinkles and helps users wake up looking younger and more refreshed. But the real question is, what's actually special about it? Or is it just another expensive pillow? Now, to be fair, the way you sleep can affect your skin. Repeated pressure against a traditional pillow may contribute to temporary sleep lines, and some people prefer specialty pillows designed to reduce facial contact. What it does well: unique side sleeping design. This is one of the pillow's biggest selling points. The shape is intended to reduce direct pressure on the face while sleeping, may reduce temporary sleep creases. Less facial compression could help minimize the appearance of sleep lines in the morning, where the hype falls apart. It will not stop aging. This is the biggest issue. No pillow can prevent wrinkles or dramatically reverse the aging process. Evidence for long-term wrinkle prevention is limited. While reducing facial pressure makes sense in theory, the effect on long-term aging is likely modest. Comfort is highly subjective. What feels amazing to one sleeper may feel awkward or uncomfortable to another. So, what's so special about the Nurse Jamie pillow? Short answer: its specialized shape is designed to reduce facial pressure during sleep, but it is not a miracle beauty tool. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.